Chairman and CEO at the request of the White House.
The President of the Auto Task Force has spent more than a month digging into the restructuring plans that GM and Chrysler submitted last month. The team has struggled to make two determinations that they struggled with. One will be a steep plunge in the car sales end, and what will the market look like once it's done. GM has based its revived plans on the U.S. market rebounding sales of 14.3 million vehicles in the year 2011. As of right now, about 9 million vehicles have been sold so far this year, and many analysts are now considering GM's short-term forecasting to be overly optimistic. Of the $21.6 billion in funding that they've received, the automakers have requested an additional $16.6 billion more, while Chrysler has asked for only $5 billion more. The attempts to solidify deals with UAW and bondholders were slowed by disagreements by both parties over how exactly the other party needed to be budgeted. UAW, for instance, it already made health care concessions in 2005 and 2007, and argues that the bondholders have never been asked to concede anything. Now I'm going to hand it over to RJ, who's going to talk more about the bondholders.
Bondholders, they're willing to make cuts, but they want to see the union make further cuts. GM raised most of its unsecured debt to fund the union health care and pension costs. It is also seen as a reason why the union does need to make bigger cuts. Both GM and Chrysler are negotiating with the UAW to accept range of cost-cutting measures, including greatly reducing work labors, lower wages,